Remove wrinkles and sagging skin on your face. Only use these 2 ingredients. Luckily, wrinkles and sagging skin on the face can be easily removed with the help of 2 simple ingredients. This 2-ingredient natural recipe will help you get rid of wrinkles, tight, and rejuvenate the sagging skin on your face. As you are getting older, your skin also ages and reduces its tightness and elasticity. This is because as you age, the production of collagen decreases. As a result, your skin becomes less elastic and wrinkles start to become visible. Lucky for you, our 2-ingredient recipe can fight against wrinkle and sagging skin. This recipe for skin tightening helps in tightening skin and gives a younger look that will last long. The first ingredient is an egg. For this recipe, we just use egg white. Therefore, crack your egg and separate the egg white and yolk white into the different 2 bowls. Then put the egg white aside to make the anti-wrinkle mixture. Egg whites are rich in a variety of proteins including complete long-chain amino acids, which act on the skin to help regenerate new cells. Protein also helps to perk up the skin and make it tauter. Moreover, its powerful astringent property can tighten and firm the skin. It naturally tightens and makes pores smaller, making the skin appear tighter and tauter. The egg yolk you can use to cook or use for another recipe that only requires preparing egg yolk. Now, you will need to combine the egg white with another anti-wrinkle ingredient, cucumber. Cucumbers naturally regenerate the skin. Silica is one of the most important ingredients in cucumbers, which efficiently supports the growth of supportive tissues and prevents wrinkles. Moreover, they are rich in antioxidants like vitamins K and C, which destroy free radicals, the reason for the sagging skin and wrinkles. Now, peel the cucumber. Then, cut the peeled cucumber into halves. Cut half into small pieces and put them into a blender. The remaining half you can eat. Then, blend them for a couple of minutes on medium speed to have peely cucumber. Next, place a strainer over a bowl and pour the pulp onto it to strain the cucumber juice in this bowl. Use a spoon to extract the cucumber juice. After you have the cucumber juice, pour it into the egg white bowl. At this time, stir thoroughly with a spoon until getting a homogeneous mixture. Your anti-wrinkle remedy is ready to use, and here is how to use it to remove wrinkles and sagging skin on the face. Clean your face and apply the mixture on the areas where the skin should be tightened, especially those skin areas that are prone to wrinkles like under the eyes, around the mouth, forehead. Then, leave it to act for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash it off with cold water. For best results, use this facial mask 1 to 2 times a week. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.